How to become fluent in English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. It is used in education, business, travel, science, entertainment, and communication. Learning English can open many doors to better education, better jobs, and opportunities to connect with people from different countries. Many students dream of speaking English fluently, but they often believe that fluency is very difficult to achieve. The truth is that anyone can become fluent in English with regular practice, patience, and the right learning methods. Fluency does not mean speaking perfect English without making mistakes. It means being able to communicate your thoughts clearly and confidently. Even native English speakers make grammar mistakes sometimes. Therefore, do not be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. The first step to becoming fluent in English is to build a strong vocabulary. Learn a few new words every day and revise them regularly. Instead of memorizing long word lists, learn words in sentences. This helps you understand how they are used in real conversations. Focus on common daily words because they are used more often than difficult words. Reading is another excellent way to improve English. Read children's books, short stories, newspapers, blogs, magazines, and novels according to your level. Reading improves vocabulary, grammar, spelling, and sentence structure. Keep a notebook and write down new words with their meanings and example sentences. Listening is equally important. Listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, news channels, YouTube videos, and English conversations every day. At first, you may not understand everything, but your listening skills will improve with time. Try listening to the same audio more than once to catch new words and expressions. Speaking is the most important skill for becoming fluent. Speak English every day, even if you are alone. Describe your daily activities, talk about your plans, explain your surroundings, or tell a story in English. The more you speak, the more confident you become. If possible, practice with friends or language partners. Join English-speaking groups online or offline. Real conversations teach you natural expressions, pronunciation, and confidence. Pronunciation plays a major role in fluency. Listen carefully to native speakers and try to copy their pronunciation, stress, and rhythm. Shadowing is a useful technique. Listen to one sentence and immediately repeat it exactly as you hear it. This method improves pronunciation and speaking speed. Grammar is important, but do not let grammar stop you from speaking. Learn the basic grammar rules first, such as tenses, articles, prepositions, and sentence structure. Use grammar while speaking instead of only studying rules from books. Writing helps organize your thoughts. Write a diary in English every day. Describe your day, your feelings, your goals, or something interesting you learned. Writing improves grammar, vocabulary, and sentence formation. Thinking in English is another powerful habit. Instead of translating from your native language, try thinking directly in English. Think about what you see, what you are doing, and what you plan to do. This reduces hesitation while speaking. Watching English movies, TV shows, and cartoons can make learning enjoyable. Begin with subtitles in your own language, then switch to English subtitles, and finally watch without subtitles. This improves listening comprehension and teaches natural conversations. Learning common phrases is more useful than learning isolated words. Native speakers often use phrases such as, "How are you?" "What's going on?" "Could you help me?" and "I'm looking forward to it." Learning these expressions makes your English sound more natural. Set clear and realistic goals. For example, learn 10 new words every day. Read 10 pages of an English book. Listen to 20 minutes of English audio and speak English for 15 minutes daily. Small goals lead to big achievements over time. Consistency is more important than studying for many hours once a week. Even 30 minutes of focused practice every day is better than 5 hours of study once a week. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at a different pace. Focus on your own progress. Celebrate small achievements such as understanding a movie scene, speaking confidently, or learning new vocabulary. Technology has made language learning easier than ever. Use English learning apps, online dictionaries, pronunciation tools, AI chatbots, and educational YouTube channels. These resources provide unlimited opportunities to practice English anytime and anywhere. Reading aloud is another useful habit. It improves pronunciation, confidence, and fluency. Read newspaper articles, stories, or textbooks aloud for 10 to 15 minutes every day. Try recording your voice while speaking English. Listen to your recordings and identify areas that need improvement. Compare your pronunciation with native speakers and practice regularly. Do not fear making mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Confidence grows through practice, not perfection. Create an English environment around you. Change your phone language to English. Follow English social media pages. Read English captions and interact with English content every day. The more exposure you have, the faster you improve. Patience is essential because language learning takes time. Some days you will improve quickly, while other days may feel difficult. Continue practicing even when progress seems slow. Develop all four language skills together: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Balanced practice helps you become a complete English learner rather than focusing on only one skill. A daily routine can make learning easier. Spend 15 minutes reading, 15 minutes listening, 15 minutes speaking, and 15 minutes writing. Following this routine consistently can bring noticeable improvement within a few months. Motivation is the fuel for success. Remember why you want to learn English, whether it is for education, travel, career growth, or personal development. Keep your goal in mind whenever you feel discouraged. Finally, believe in yourself. Fluency is not achieved overnight. It is the result of small daily efforts, repeated over a long period. Every new word you learn, every sentence you speak, every book you read, and every conversation you have brings you one step closer to fluency. In conclusion, becoming fluent in English is possible for anyone who is willing to practice consistently. Build your vocabulary, improve your grammar, listen carefully, read regularly, speak confidently, write every day, and never stop learning. Stay patient, remain confident, and enjoy the learning journey. With dedication and continuous practice, English will gradually become a natural part of your life, allowing you to communicate confidently with people around the world.